How many of us find cheap deals online for products on AliExpress, DHgate, Alibaba, Temu, and all of these platforms? A lot of us, right? Well, what if I told you that you can turn these cheap products that you find into more money? It's not really about the product, and it never was, right? I want you to think about it like this. If the product didn't sell, why did they create it? I said, if the product did not sell, why was it created? And if the product is online, somebody brought it, whether it's for personal use or if it's for wholesale or retail. So right now, literally, just got home. It is 10:21, okay? It's 10:21, and I got back, opened up a package, and I was given these headphones. We have a challenge, and the challenge that we're gonna do is we're going to see how much money we can make by selling these headphones. So what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna list these headphones, and I'm going to attempt to sell them online, but also try to sell these in person maybe if they don't sell online. I'm not sure how this will go. You guys will know by the end of this video. And by the way, my name is Brandon. I teach people how to resell, but that's not all. I have my own wholesale company, wesply.com. I am somebody that doesn't just teach you and tell you how to do it. I also show you and provide opportunity and network. Make sure you guys check out my website, wesply.com. I also have a network where I allow you to become a partner with me to where you can start sourcing your products directly from the United States of America for you to start selling, and also be able to hire somebody to list products and ship products and also revise products for you as well. But we'll talk about that a little bit further in another video. But I want to really harp on these headphones. The guy sent these to me. He said, I want you to test these out. Now, I went on live probably a few days ago and told you guys that he told me if I brought 50 of these, he will actually give me these for $3. So what do you think I did? Took him up on that offer, because when I sat there on live and unboxed these, they were pretty good. And they feel a little cheap, but the quality isn't bad. And also the ease of use, the presentation, like the box, right? Look at the box. The box is really good, right? It's really good. And I couldn't even find these online. So, I mean, listen, we're going to try. We're going to make it do what it do. It comes with earbuds. And you guys are going to see in a second what I mean. Oops. The charger just fell out. And the manual. It comes with the manual. And then it comes with a Type-C charger. Now, what I like about these pods is I like the display inside the case. So I'm gonna take the buds out. So it comes with a little charging case, and then it comes with these buds. So here's a close-up on the buds, okay? They have like this little charging little connector right here. So I was looking, I'm like, how the heck do I connect these? So you actually open this up, okay? And then it's like a little casing like this, okay? And then you should be able to just snap these in like this. You see it? Oops. You can actually snap these in and they come with a digital display. I like that. So I am going to try to sell these, and it says 100%, and it tells you which one is charged, which one needs to be charged. And this could actually sell. It could actually do some really good numbers, and we're actually going to see. All right, so we have black. It comes in pink, blue, and white. Now, I don't sell these wholesale because I haven't got enough information about them yet. And also, I don't know if they're trending. wesply.com is where I put a bunch of trending products that we sell wholesale. If you are interested in becoming a full-time reseller, definitely check out the Hustlers Network, where we actually give you discounts on wholesale pricing, and also we give you an assistant that works for you, and also you get a box full of products when you join just to get you started. But again, we're gonna list these up. We're gonna see exactly how these sell. And again, at the price point of $3, I feel like these we could list probably for around $30, right? And be able to get discounts, bundles. We'll have to figure this out. All right, so now we got a list of speakers, right? So Icon Q, as you see, it's not a really good speaker presence for Icon Q, right? So we can't really copy and paste anything. I wanted to show you guys exactly how to list something right? We're just gonna put headphones. We're gonna try to list something that is not frequently known or searched, but you can still get sales because it's all about leveraging the promotions. Also, it's all about making sure that you're putting this product in front of the right customer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna literally take this picture and we're gonna turn it into some listings. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually put these, and then I'll crop this out, I guess, and then try to just list it this way. What I'm gonna do is tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna take pictures of the pods exactly like open, so that I can easily show ease of use in the use case. And then we're gonna do, let's do wireless in-ear, right? Because he's sticking the ear, in-ear headphones, Bluetooth, the Icon Q, okay? Cool. So now for brand, we'll put Icon Q. Does it have a UPC? They do have UPCs. We don't have to put them. I want to show you guys just the bare minimum, right? How you could actually start making money without having to put in all this extra work, right? So we'll say brand new, wireless headphoons, put a charging case. Just put anything that you know about the product. Then have have the AI create the description. Then we're gonna put this at 35. I'll sell 10 to 15 each, right? Each color, and then I'm just gonna replicate this. I'm gonna do the same thing for each color. I probably won't do pink though because 2 of the pink are damaged. I gotta test to make sure the other pinks are good. Now, when it comes to the general and priority, this is what we're gonna utilize. So with general, basic access to ad placements, only pay when your item sells. Priority, exclusive access to the top search, advanced targeting, and bid control. Listen, I don't do priority, I do general, but I only do it when the profit margin makes sense, right? So you don't want to do this with every product because each product that you're selling, even if it doesn't come from a promotion, you're still going to have to pay a certain profit split. So we know this costs us $3, and we already know that we're selling it for $35. That is a 91.4% profit margin, $32 profit per unit sold. So I know I got a high ass profit, right? So I usually do this where 85% profit margins are higher. We're gonna do this, and we can share 11%. So we're paying around like $3.85, I believe. So that's okay, right? And then we'll list, and then we're gonna see the results. I will have to keep up with them. I'm gonna try to list them throughout the week and see exactly what type of success we get. This has been a journey. So what I realized was the pink ones that he sent me didn't work. Let me know how you guys like this video. If you guys like these type of videos, we're gonna go over day 1 sales. We were able to sell 4 of them. Now, 1 was actually canceled, and I would assume it's because the person didn't know what they were buying, I guess, you know, buyer's remorse, right? So we had a sale of $35, and I list 15 at first, and that was pretty cool, right? Day 1, we were able to make $140. Day 2, 9 of the white were sold, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of the blue were sold, and we were selling anywhere from 2 to 6 to 5. We were able to bundle. We were also able to utilize the promotions. I'm not gonna lie, with these headphones, promotions were used heavy. I'm talking about, I went from the first day using 11%, second day I went all the way up to 25%. And it was because we weren't getting enough clicks and views, but we started to actually gain some traction. We made 140 off of one order, 70 off of another, 105 off of another, 210 off of one, and 175 off of another. And this is all because we are bundling. We're also selling these at a really affordable rate because, again, don't price gouge. Make it a really great offer. Make it an offer that people cannot turn down. Make it an offer where if they see your listing, they're thinking, if I don't buy this, I am an idiot. $595 was made from this day, utilizing promotions and also making sure that we're putting this product up and in front of the right customers. So we are again selling a generic icon cue. It's generic. It's not branded in my opinion, because people weren't buying it like it was. But again, we made $595, and this was just the beginning. Okay, so next we're talking about selling 1 blue, 4 blue, 6 blue, 9 blue, only 1 white. We had an order for $35 for the blue, $105 for blue, $70 for blue, 1 order of 1 piece, $35 for the white, and then for the other blue, $105. So again, this was a regular day, right? And we were able to sell a lot of the blue and get that out. We were just about done with the white. We didn't have really any white inventory left. So now we're at $910. Now I start getting excited because I'm like, okay, I'm almost at $1,000 in gross profit with these headphones. Day 5, we were at $1,190. Next day, which we were at $1,680. Our 7th day, we ended getting to $1,995. $1,995. I want to make this clear. We're not talking about how much we're splitting and actually selling or giving away to eBay. You're probably not going to see this success right off the gate with a generic TWS type of headphone. I think the reason this actually did sell was, yes, we were selling it on WESPLY's eBay, but we also were positioning it in a way where it was a flash sale. We weren't trying to sell it like it was luxury. We weren't trying to push it off like it was something that was going to over exceed customers' expectations. A lot of us do that. We try to preach to customers that, hey man, buy my product. It's the best one in the world, bro. It don't got to be the best product in the world. Sometimes the product that you're selling does not need to it doesn't need to over exceed. It just needs to meet expectation. Okay, I have just opened our partnership community. Okay, it is a network, if you will, and what this network is, it's the Founder Partner Access Network. With this network, you get a box full of products when you sign up. After the onboarding meeting, we ship you this box. You have products. Not only that, guys, but you're able to literally, whether you're a phone flipper or a reseller, you're able to get into this and start working and executing. Let me explain to you what you get with this. You get a curated $250 wholesale launch inventory box. You get 30-day execution roadmap. So it's 30 days. We're breaking down exactly what steps you need to start, how you're going to actually start getting the results. We're building a foundation, right? And the best practices and habits that you need to continue to survive and thrive in the reselling and phone flipping game. We have weekly live calls, and this is every single week on Thursday. We alternate the subject. So 1 week is going to be phone flipping, the next week reselling, next week phone flipping, next week reselling. And then what we do, we have a direct wholesale stock access that you are only accessed, as you guys know, WESPLY.com, right? I sell products, okay? And I give you a bunch of products you can buy, audio, gadgets, but I just want to let you guys know I got way more products than this. And when you're in this partnership community, you're actually going to get access to cheaper pricing, okay? So I wanted to be able to not only give you guys products, but also give you exclusive pricing. Partners in this community and network get that pricing. You get pricing that is not available online. You get a way to get products, dash cams, e-scooters, large speakers, headphones, cases, chargers, gadgets. All of these things you have access to, and nobody has access to them online. All right. Next, you're going to get audit and optimization reviews, and this is going to be something we do every single month on Sunday, I believe it's the second Sunday of every month. You're able to get and submit any platform, eBay, Mercari, Offer, Walmart, Seller Central, any platform that you want. You could have me audit it with you live, okay? We'll have a meeting on a Sunday, and we're basically going to go over things you need to tweak and change so you can get the results similar to what we got today, right? So you could actually be setting yourself up for success, okay? Now, for all of my phone flippers, you're going to get phone flipping buyers access. You're going to get access to buyers, access to buyers offers. You're going to get access to courses and classes. And of course, resellers, you as well. You're going to be able to get courses and all the e-guides and everything I sell digitally is in this community. I no longer sell digital products on wesply.com. I'm going towards just putting it all in a portal, allowing my partners to be able to access this so that they can thrive and they can continue to make money work for them. How much is it? It's $297. So $297 gets you all of this. So not only are you getting a $250 box full of products, but you're also getting the support, one-on-one calls, unlimited one-on-one calls. You're also getting the audit session. You're also going to get the wholesale access with the special pricing. So again, guys, the founding rate, that is the rate that we are doing only in Q1, because Q2 we're going up in pricing, is $297, limiting 15 partners. So go ahead and get into this structure, start building, start growing, but most importantly, start building with people that are actually doing the thing you're trying to do. Not just say it, doing it. This community is like no other because we literally have products. We literally are a distributor. We are the supplier. We are the place for you to be able to get these products, for you to be able to sell, turn that $297 that you invest into $1,000, literally by following the roadmap, selling the products you're given, and also taking the classes, the e-guides, the courses, everything that you have access to every single week. This is about hustling 365 days within the year so we can make money work for us, but most importantly, become a better version than we were yesterday. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and comment. Let me know what you guys are selling on eBay. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.